Hello, I am Sushma. In this video, I am going to talk on self-healing. First of all, let us understand what is self-healing and self-love. There is so much difference between the self-love and self-healing. Self-love is supporting our own self, and self-healing is something very technical part where we are sitting with, yes, I have a pain. When there is a cut in the body, how we heal? It's just not a magical thing. It will take its own time. For example, if there is a burn on my hand, what I will do? I'll take antibiotic, I'll put ointment on it, and I'll wait. And it will take its own sweet time and it will be healed. The same way, when we are sitting with the self-healing, we have to accept, yes, there is a pain. Acceptance of pain and allow to heal ourselves, sitting with the professionals and deal with it. What happens in most of the time? People don't go on self-healing. What they go on? Sharing out the experience or venting out. Venting out with the loved ones, I understand, it's okay, but what happens in that venting out? हम वॉमिट करते जाते हैं. That also becomes the painful act. And उसके साथ साथ जो healing है वो नहीं हो पाता है, because while doing this downloading and this venting out, we reach to the most sensitive part of that pain. And immature people, they don't know how to deal with this pain. And at that specific moment, we want to be attended in a very specific way, so that when we are reaching to that pain part, it has to be attended in a specific way. और हमारे loved ones, उनका एक rush रहता है कि कब हम उस pain से बाहर आएं. So they want us to bring it out. And the person who is in pain, who wants to go for a healing, needs to be attended in a specific way. So it does not happen that unhealed parts comes out, and then when it is not attended in a specific way, it creates even more pain. One of those days when I was taking one's counseling session, and that person told me that वो दर्द तो है मैडम, वो तो नासूर बन के हमारे अंदर अब रह गया है. So we do not have to allow that pain to reach to that level जहाँ से वो नासूर बन जाए. When we are going for self-healing, be open to take support, because when we are in toxic relationship, there is too many emotions are invested in that relationship. So there is a vacuum space, there is a feeling of rejection, there is a feeling of being vulnerable, victimized. So all these emotions will gush and it will come. And many people say that time will heal. It does not happen. Time does not heal. What happens is we accommodate the experience, and that hurt goes deep and to the deepest core of within. So healing does not happen with time. It becomes more and more deep into it. So what I recommend is, do not download or do not go for rebounding till the healing process is complete. Go for a light moments, going for a coffee, having a light moments with friends. Accept the pain and be ready to take support. Do not go for sharing with immature people. Focus on your daily routine. Otherwise, there is a possibility you might be hijacked by the emotions, or you can go for a revenge also. So self-healing is utmost important. बताइए आपको कैसी लगी ये वीडियो. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.